Okay guys, it is 3 o'clock Central. Market has closed. Got one more hour till the overnight close. But I am done for the day. I switched from the Lilu accounts to the Apex 2176. And then I tested the 3 minute and 10 minute and 1875 on the test. And this was throughout the day. So let's look at this here. This is the 10-minute candles. Okay. This is the open, this is the low of the day. This is your initial balance range on a 30-minute. So the 10-minute, this is green, took a buy, that was a win. 10-minute green, took a buy, that's a win. Of course, with momentum, we made the high of the IBR. And then we closed here, took a buy, that's a win. Then this candle closed red, sell, that's a win. Sell, that's a win. Then it closed here, opened here. This right here is a sell, that is a win with the wick. This closed high, win, 10. That one, that's a high, win. This one was a loser because we never broke out. I don't think I took this one because I was waiting for the IBR to break. Then we got the 10-minute close, sell, that's a win. This one's a sell, close at the sell. This was in the middle of the IBR, so it's right here where the 9 and the 20. That I don't believe I took that trade because we were in the EMAs. So this one's a 10-minute win, that one's a 10-minute win, and this one's a 10-minute. The close 10. Let me see. I believe that wasn't a partial win for me. So this is a sell. As I said, you can wait for the pullback to get into the trade. So this is actually a win. This is a green. You could wait for the pullback. Of course, it pulled back all the way down here, but I believe I was in and out of this trade, just going up, and then it retraced. So this closed. This was in the EMA. You could actually, this closed here, EMA. That's a buy right there, but I don't think I took that trade because it was in the EMA. This one was a sell. I didn't take that one because it was close. And then I believe I took this one here on that bullish candle because it was close to the EMA. And then that one was a loser. This is a sell close to the EMA, didn't take it. This was actually a buy setup on the EMAs. If you notice right here on the 10-minute, as soon as it came into the EMA below the 9, did not break the 20, those were buys. So that was, instead of selling, buying it because you're at the EMA. This one was a buy. This closed a doji, so I actually bought this because we didn't break this previous low, so that was a win. This right here, that was chop. And then I believe when it broke this low here, I took the sell on it, won that one. That's a continuation, sell on that, sell on that. This one closed red, sell, that was a win. This one's closed at the top. I don't think I did take this one. I probably was waiting for a pullback to go up, but this one came right down. This one's kind of doji. This one was consolidating, but I was looking for, I believe nothing was taken there. So this one was green, took that one, that was a win. This one's low, it hit the EMA. That one's a 10-minute win. Let me see here. Yeah, this one's a 10-minute win. This one we were in the EMAs. So if it comes in here, you have to make a decision if you're going to sell it. But these are actually strong momentum down sell. So that was a win. That was a win. And that's the end of our day. And 2176. So I did trade my Lilus and my other ones and some Apex. But this one was actually a test through the whole day on this. So trading the good thing about trading the 10-minute flips is those are actually high quality trades, especially if you use the EMAs on the flip. So like this one here, I mean, even though this is very bullish, it broke all this structure here. I believe I took a pullback to go up to get the win on that one. But other than that, you would take the, and then let's look at this on the 3-minute. See, on the 3-minute, those were all just sell setups because you're below the 9. And this was a, I mean, it was just downward pressure until we got down here to the S2 level. And then it consolidated within this box here. And then we broke lower, and this is the closing candle, and now we're out here. So yeah, you would, if you took the 3 minutes, this is a sell win, you would be taking sells on these. Even on this one, sell, 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 sell. But I was looking at it on the 10, and even if you played the EMAs here, you could take it, you know, play the EMAs. But the more you get comfortable scalping the 10-minute flips, I mean, the better it is. But yeah, so that was my trading day. Trading the candle by candle, the 10-minute and the 3-minute. I mean, 10-minute was pretty clean. And I'm just looking for 8 ticks. Of course, I have my stop loss here because I adjusted afterwards. So other than that, that's the candle by candle flipping method. And of course, using levels. You see it went all the way up to the pivot point. And then if you know you want to get down to this level, you would just take it going into it, just waiting on the candle flips. So other than that, that's it.